Hi, my name is Nikita, I'm the co-founder, and I know that in the last video you have learned how to use notification features and book the loads manually using those features. Today we're gonna go one step further and let you know how to book loads absolutely automatically. The truth is, the best loads, they're gone from the board in a matter of milliseconds. So if you want to be ahead of your competition, I recommend watching this video. We're gonna explain to you how the feature works and what do's and don'ts you need to know before using it. Let's say that you're interested in high-paying local loads just like me. You're picking $5 price per mile and the total payout of $200 as your minimum, and it's very normal that you have no matches for this rare load. So what you do, you go into your settings and pick Lightning AutoBook as your mode, and you pick your speed and press start. Once the load appears on the load board, you will automatically book this load. But here's the thing, if your filters are too tight, you might be potentially looking for the load forever. I will walk you through some of the limiting criteria and filters that can help you widen your search. We're gonna start with the time frame. Usually Amazon prefers to post loads for the same day or for the next day. They don't usually post for weeks ahead, so make sure that you're looking for today or for tomorrow, or just leave it blank. The next thing that I noticed limits many people is the load type. I understand that live loads are not the best option, but if you feel like you're looking for loads for too long, I would definitely add this as well. Pricing, including price per mile and the payout, of course, is one of the most important things that can limit your search. And we like to give this analogy with a hotel. If you're gonna go to booking.com and try to book and try to find the 5-star hotel for $20, most likely you will never find this hotel. Same thing goes with Amazon Relay. If you are not rational about choosing the right price and you know that those loads don't exist, don't try to find those type of loads. Make sure that you're rational about the pricing. And obviously the last two things that are interesting is the distance and the stop count. I usually leave mine to 3, so that's enough to get a round trip or a one-way, but I don't like to get many stops in my trips. And distance, also know what type of loads exist in your area. Usually people know that and they choose the distances just above of what they need, not exact, just to make sure the filters are working correctly. So yes, if you're looking once again for the load for too long, make sure to loosen up your filters. This will really help you to get the results. Now I'm going to stop my search and loosen my criteria so we can guys actually auto book the load together with you. Perfect, so we just booked a trip, and as you can see we used less filters and got the results in around 2 hours. Let's check it right here in the upcoming page. The load is here, so it successfully got booked. After we have booked a load and we're all happy, let's talk about the other side of the story, how you can make auto booking your worst nightmare, and I have seen this many times. Number one rule that I always try to say, that the software depends on the filters that you place, right? So it will book a first available load based on the filters. And let's look at an example. I'm gonna put $4 right here and we're gonna have available loads. So if I press start right now, I will book the first available load. So many people don't look at their filters and don't set them up properly and press start, and the system books the first available load because this is what it's supposed to do. So before actually launching, make sure that all of your filters are correct. Most likely When your filters are correct, you should have no matches right here, because that's the point of auto booking, right? You are looking for a load that doesn't exist on the board yet. And I think that's the main rule at the start that you need to know about. And there you have it, guys. Now you know how to use Lightning AutoBook, and you can go ahead and save a lot of time, save a lot of your energy. Make sure that your drivers are busy. If you have any questions, keep checking the documentation. You can contact us through the email. I wish you luck. Go ahead and for sure try it out once this video is over.